Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your profit and loss sheet from Wave Apps. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who it's tax season and you need your profit and loss sheet to actually send to your accountant or bookkeeper. So be sure to stick around, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved within this video, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, when you log onto your Wave app, this is what it's going to look like as far as your dashboard goes. On the left-hand side, you want to scroll down to where it says reports, and then once you reach this page here, you're going to see your financial statements. And on the right hand side, you're going to see your profit and loss income statement. Go ahead and click on that, and then from here you can select the date range, you can select the months, or you can select the report type as well. But this right here is essentially how to access your profit and loss statement. So with this, you could actually update the report and you could actually click on show details. Now, in order to actually export this, you need to click this export button, and then you can export as a CSV or PDF file. But this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go in and get your profit and loss statement from Wave app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.